Hey guys, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. We are on week 8 out of the 50 countries in 50 weeks, I think. Anyways, this week we're going to make Jamaican Gizzada. Gizzada, I think. I had to do quite a bit of hunting because apparently stores around me don't have coconuts. Oh, Masashi. I did find a coconut, and I've never opened a coconut. So the one that I got, because it's the only one that they had, only kind that they had, whatever, is a quick crack coconut. Apparently they have scored it around the sides. We'll see what happens. Apparently all I have to do is use a corkscrew in one of the eyeballs. 2 of the eyeballs. Corkscrew the eyeballs. And then crack it with the back of a knife. Let's see what happens. Fun. Does this make you have to pee? I looked up a video because I wanted to know how to pronounce it. And this wonderful Jamaican lady was making it and, you know, figured out how to pronounce it, but it was all very much, intuitive, I guess. Like she didn't measure anything. She was just like, oh, some of this, some of this, some of this, some of this. And I was like, okay, yeah, we're gonna try this. So that's how we're gonna do it. There is no recipe. Using a hand towel to hold coconut, tap the back of a heavy knife on the equator, rotating until it cracks open. Do I need to use a hand towel? Barehand it. Ooh, we cracking. It's not on the equator, but we cracking. Now what? Carefully pry out the flesh with a dull knife, or continue tapping the shell until it breaks apart. Yeah, that's gonna go well. Dull knife it is. Is it worth it? How hungry was the first person to eat a coconut? Because low-key hate coconut right now. I cheated. I was gonna use the box grater. You know what? Cuisinart. I'm just adding some brown sugar. I stir that up. See how it looks. See if I've added enough. Some cinnamon, about that much. Some nutmeg, about that much. Some vanilla, about that much. Gonna sit this to the side. We're gonna work on our crust. put this in the fridge for about half an hour. Okay, so our dough has been chilling and I'm gonna keep it chilled. So I'm just gonna pinch off little bits at a time. Okay, so here we have our little shells. You just want to make sure not to get any of the filling on the baking sheet because the sugar will burn horribly. So I'm going to put these in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. I'm going to turn them around and then go for probably another 20-25 minutes and then we'll see where we're at. Oh shit. Would you look at that? I don't want to toot my own horn or anything, but for a pastry crust that, oh, it's so flaky. I didn't even measure stuff for it. I just did it. Ah, love it. Despite having a, we'll say rocky start, because I guess I've never gotten a whole coconut before and tried to crack it and get the meat out myself, and I'm not gonna lie, I almost quit several times. I was gonna go back to the bougie grocery store and I was gonna buy the stuff they had in the container for twice as much that was already out. That's an hour drive. I was gonna do it. I was so done. It was a mess. But I don't know. I don't know if it's because I had so many issues beginning that I am more appreciative of it now. But visually, these look great. So, yeah. They smell really good. The pastry looks amazing. It's all flaky. Out of 10. Would do this again. Definitely gonna look up better ways to get meat out of a coconut though, because I am jazzed on this pastry. Time to figure out what we're gonna do next week. This one? Do we feel good about this one? I don't know if I feel good about this one. I keep looking at the dishes behind me. Ooh! Okay. Germany. Go make a pretzel. Like a German pretzel. I was originally gonna do Black Forest cake, but like why? So, next week, Germany. See, I marked it out. Gonna make a pretzel. I'm excited. I've made a pretzel before. It didn't go great. I mean, ultimately they turned out decently, but the first batch went so bad. Like, had to throw them away. Couldn't even feed them to the chickens. Bad. Yeah. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed this week. I have my ups and downs, but ultimately, I'm really glad that I made it. And I'm really glad that I remembered that I had a food processor. Anyways, I'm out of here. I have a lot of dishes to do. A lot of kids to take care of. And yeah. I will see you guys next week. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace. I'll see you next Tuesday.